Hey there. Do you ever feel like you want to speak English confidently, but something is holding you back? But trust me, you are not alone. It is very common to most of the English learners. You see, confidence is not just about knowing the right words, it is about using them without any fear or any hesitation. So, today in this video, I am sharing 5 simple tricks that will help you speak English more confidently. Sounds good? Okay, let's get started. Trick number one, talk to yourself. Yes, really. I know this may sound a little funny, but hear me out. When you are alone, try describing what you are doing in English. For example, say things like I'm making a coffee or I need to finish this work in this way. This simple habit helps you think in English naturally. No pressure, no judgment, just you and your thoughts. It is like having a mini conversation with yourself. Give it a try and you will see how quickly it becomes sound natural. Okay? And trick number two, speak slowly, don't rush. Okay, speak slowly, don't rush. Here is a misconception about fluency. Many learners think speaking fast makes them sound fluent, right? But guess what? Even native speakers pause, think, and take their time to speak clearly. Yeah, really. So just slow down. Focus on your pronunciation and let your words flow smoothly. Remember, confidence is not about speed, it's about clarity. So take a deep breath and speak at your own pace. That's it. Okay. Now, tip number three, use simple sentences in the beginning. You don't need fancy words to sound smart. Okay, start with the short and clear sentences. For example, instead of saying I would like to acquire more knowledge on this topic, just say I want to learn more about this. Got it? Simplicity is powerful. It helps you communicate effectively and builds your confidence step by step. So keep it simple and watch how much more comfortable you feel. Okay. Now trick number four, copy native speakers. Copy native speakers. This one is very fun. Listen to English podcasts or YouTube videos or movies. Pay attention to how native speakers talk, like their expressions, their tone and rhythm. Then simply copy them. Repeat their phrases or and mimic their style and practice until it feels natural. It is like having a language role model. The more you imitate, the more confident you will sound. Okay? And finally, trick number five, stop worrying about mistakes. Stop worrying about mistakes. Here is the truth. Actually, to say frankly, mistakes are a part of the learning process. Even fluent speakers mess up sometimes. So, but the key is to keep speaking and keep improving. Don't let fear hold you back. Every mistake is a step toward progress. So, embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. The more you speak, the better you will get. It's that simple. So, these are the 5 tricks that can help you speak English more confidently. Number one, talk to yourself. Number two, speak slowly. And number three, use simple sentences. And number four, copy native speakers. And finally, number five, stop worrying about mistakes. Okay? So, which of these tricks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep speaking and keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.